Open! Woo! Wow! I will eat it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our show. Today we're making Hocus Pocus brownies.
And cupcakes?
Yep.
Yay, I'm so excited. And it's pretty easy, right?
Yeah. So we have brownie, and we have the mixer. We have 1 egg, milk, and vegetable oil, and of course the mixer.
All right, put everything in the mixer.
Okay, so first I'm gonna put the brownie mix. Scare job. Oh, it's hot. That's a lot. Ah! Is that it? Oh. Milk. I can put this. Just kidding. Now oil. Yeah. All done.
It's time to mix, and this, I will help you with this, okay? Make sure you ask.
And don't for help.
All right. It's mixing. How does it smell good?
Yes, it does. Ah.
How does it look?
It looks good. Oh, it looks like chocolate.
It is, it's brownie mix.
It already like melted. The batter's ready. Let's put it in the pan. Now it's ready to put it in the oven. We'll be right back. Okay, it's ready. Now it's decorated. How's it gonna look, Mom?
All right, I'll show you the first one, okay?
Okay, my mom just showed me I gotta do the one. So I gotta do same thing.
So do you know what we're doing?
Yeah, we're doing a book.
It's the book. You go down, straight line.
Ah,
It's okay. Now you do the other lines.
we're trying to make the dot.
Just copy mine. You see like mine? I mean, you can make it your own, but
Okay.
you want to put the dot? There you go.
Okay, one at the bottom. This one's easy because you can put it in.
All right. And then the eye.
Eh.
Look at that. Woohoo! That's so cool.
But
Done.
how you like it, Mom?
Let's see.
I want to eat Mommy's. Okay. So I can do the eye and the outlines. Now let's do the last one. Done. Oops.
Wow, that's so cool. Let's see, show us. Can you tilt it so you can see? Right there, that's good. Whoa.
This is mine.
Let me see.
This is mine. Do you like mine?
Let me see. Ooh, that's so
This
good.
is mine.
Oh,
this is
yeah. All right, let's do the cupcakes now.
Okay, now we're gonna do the cupcakes one. Okay, how we decorate first, Mom?
Okay, I'll show you the first one, and then you copy mine, okay?
Okay.
All right.
But I know how to use a pipe cleaner this week too.
Yep, it's gonna be fun. Okay, now that I showed you, it's your turn. So you put the icing in a Ziploc bag, you cut the tip, and then you just do swirls all over.
I can do a triangle.
Cover all the marshmallows.
I tried to do a triangle.
See, looks good.
Squeeze. Ah, oops.
All right, time for sprinkles.
Okay, sprinkle it now. Sprinkles. I'll put eyeballs. I want to make a zombie.
Ooh, a zombie potion.
I want to make some hair. Like hair too. There.
Oh, that looks cool.
This is his hair.
Monster hair.
I bought hair too.
All right, that looks good.
I'll put that's a lot of eyeballs hair. Bye everyone, hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe. I hope you like this Hocus Pocus brownie. Bye! I can enjoy these.